$6,000. Yeah, so give me money.
What Brit?
Yeah.
At 3,500 that Brit.
It's 6,250.
Oh, back road price money that the boy.
Plus, me got to go collect our money on you now. So you can touch on me later. I'ma find them and send me some money, so you know, so me also I come trash out. And I'm not looking shaky settings. Cause we are go over Abba City right now.
Stop tell people where you go.
No, remember, so we live close. I'm gonna be forward from me. I'm gonna be happy right now. We are unite with Kingston. Kingston a good link. We can come and we'll be come support we, you know.
Stop tell
Remember,
people
so
where
we
you
are
go.
family. We look out for each other. Out of many, we are one blood clad people, you know. Say, what the fuck?
Stop tell people where you go, Brit.
Where you go to see me and bust my head again? You know, realize that I can't blood clot fight. You hear me come by your country and say me like boy now?
No business.
No. Because I can't fight, so I must marry to so. Because I can't fight. And so top of the life say no for blood clot fight. I know for different himself. And that's all my blood clot want. Because I now walk and lick no woman. When on dig out their head as bad as things may be.
Get to speed. Alright, Brit. Calm down. Drink your honey.
Yeah, what honey?
Hey, what honey there?
What blood clot honey there? I honey that pan a blood clot then. Me I drink honey for Jaydenn today. Say if you born a blood clot me, it me and my day man show me see better than him.
You're gonna need water after the honey, you know. Yeah?
Hmm?
You're gonna need water after the honey. Alright, I can't stop now. Alright, Brit.
What if I told you I really could see myself spending the rest of my life with you? Would it be something that interests you? You like what
Brit, you have water? Here and there. No, me. Drink some water. Get some water. Where your water there?
So you're not gonna meet me today. You're gonna call a real connection fake and gonna be like, Brit is a cloud chaser. Me want Brit by my couch. Who's blood clot Brit? And then I have somebody in the couch.
If I drink water, alright, Brit, if I drink water, you come from a couch. Drink water.
What you want me to drink? Salt and water or just water?
Why you want to drink salt and water for?
I got salt and water here.
No, don't drink that.
Drink the water alone.
Yeah, drink water alone.
That's in my kitchen, my nigga. Yeah, I haven't washed plate in 1 week or so because I've been outside with Zoe and I got fresh water right here.
Stop. Yeah, water, baby, water.
Yeah, this is the water.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it is.
It tastes like water.
More, what you do? You don't drink the water. You don't drink the water.
What? I shouldn't go no water.
Yeah, stress me out.
So I can have been for losing. I've been here being faithful.
Oh God.
Who want me to come live on this phone right now?
Eh?
You want me to go live on this one?
Why am I live on the phone there?
So So Jaydenn, all you say you somebody. May I search for you on YouTube? I can't find it on YouTube at all.
Becoming on a YouTube.
Jaydenn, but you can't find me now.
Come on, guys. 55 rows. Everybody sit on rows. Everybody sit on rows. Everybody sit on rows. Everybody sit on rows. 55 rows. Come on, guys. Come on.